touch, I could with just one touch, I could feel my.
Yo, what's up, guys? Today we're turning NBA 2K20 into NBA 2K26 with updated rosters, jerseys, and visuals. If you want to see 2K20 brought back to life, you're in the right place. Let's get straight into it.
The NBA on 2K Sports. And the Grizzlies start off with the ball. Inside Jackson. Inside Jackson. Oh, hammer. Stand down to go.
It's not an easy task stopping that fella. He's headed to the bucket like that. Good job.
Pass the ball, run post. 6 on the shot clock. Well, almost as Aldridge grabs the miss.
That mid-range jump shot is not his strong suit, even when he gets a good look like that.
Just over 11 point here. That's out of the game. Here's Davis. Paul.
Not looking good for four straight misses to start the game.
Just over and Jackson. Who's on the
Took a little time to get one to go. Maybe they're warmed up now.
Back to Jackson. Knocked away. Shot clock at 6. For 3. Shot is off. Now here is Davis. Backing him down. Shot from 12. And it's in off the backboard.
That's a clean look they gave him there, fellas, and he drains those.
Now about 3 minutes gone in the first quarter. Pass to Jackson. Here's Caldwell Pope. Here's Caldwell Pope.
They've had a cold start so far. Just 1 of 5 from the floor here early.
Just under 3.5 minutes gone here in the first quarter. And it goes as the official calls the foul. Count it. He'll shoot one more at the free throw line.
He got a little room at the rim and laid it in. Great play.
They really want to find that igniter here.
Yeah, that's right. Kevin, the offense is basically running in place.
They got to get going. The Mavericks leading. Tipped. And that's out of bounds. Dallas will retain possession.